Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emilee and if you're new here then hello. Today we are going to go through another day of the Nyx Advent Calendar. This year every single day I'm going to be recreating a new look going through the Nyx Advent Calendar to go with the product of the day. So today is day 13. So today's product is the Sweet Chateau eyeshadow in the shade Cookie Cutter, and it's just this gorgeous matte creamy colour which is pretty versatile. Anyone can use this kind of colour, so I just created this gorgeous green kind of warm halo eye with a gold in a corner. So if you would like to see how I did this look then carry on watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, comment down below, and let's get on with the video. Okay, but I'm sorry, can we just take a moment for my cat in the background? She is the cutest. So the first colour we're going to go into is from this Morphe 25D palette. I'm just going to go in with this really dark brown shade. I'm just going to use this as my first colour. I'm using a Morphe M422 brush and I'm going to start packing this into my crease as always. Going in with a M503, which is pretty much clean. It's kind of a bit dirty but it's pretty much clean. I'm just going to use this and buff out those edges with no product. Just using really small, light circular motions. Okay, so now that is blended, I'm going to go in with this shade here, and this is called Mace, using the M503. I'm just going to use this pretty much to do the same thing as we just did, but this time we're adding colour. I've got that blend. I'm going in with the Sweet Chateau eyeshadow in the shade Cookie Cutter, which is the product of the day. It's just a nice creamy colour. And I'm just going to use this on a 217 brush from MAC. And I'm just going to use this to buff out these edges because I did blend it up a bit too high for my personal liking. So I'm just going to use this to buff over the edges to kind of lighten them a bit. So I'm now going to cut my crease into a halo shape using a bit of concealer and a concealer brush. And as we know, I'm a bit hit and miss with halo eyes, so I guess we'll see how this goes. But this one didn't go too badly, so fingers crossed this one goes okay. Also, I finally did my nails. I'm then just going to go in with this fluffy brush and I'm just going to use this to push into the concealer on the edges to kind of blend the concealer out a bit. I'm going to go in with a black, which is this one here, just from the Morphe 25C palette. And I'm just going to take this on the exact same brush because it's kind of angled. And I'm just going to start going in from the inner corner and the outer corner. I'm going to go in with my shade Christmas Tree, which is this one here. It's a gorgeous emerald green colour. These are still in stock and you can get these for £2.25 each if you use my code, and I will link it down below, as with all of these shades too, and this one is only £1.80. So I'm just taking some of that on my MAC 242 brush and I'm just going to apply this onto the centre of the halo eye. And I'm just going to use it dry to begin with. Because it has amazing pigment, as you can see. And then I'm just going to use the same brush that we used for the crease with any excess brown, and I'm just going to use this to push over where the black and the green meet. So I just applied some tatty lashes, and these are the TL23s. So to prep my skin, I'm just going to use this same Clinique product I used yesterday because I actually really liked how it made my foundation go on. So I'm just going to apply a bit of that in my hands and I'm just going to apply this to my face. But yeah, my nails, as you can see, look so much better. So I have just added a tiny bit more of the black on the inner and outer corners just because I felt like it wasn't dark enough. But I'm just going to go in with this foundation. I'm just going to do 1.5 pumps, I think. I haven't used this foundation in so long. It was literally my favourite foundation ever. But I haven't used it in so long, so let's see if I still enjoy it. So I'm just kind of skipping through my face routine today just because I am filming another video right after this, another tutorial, so I kind of want to like get that done. But I am going to bronze my face. As you can see, I have powdered. I'm just using my W7 bronzer. As you see, I love this stuff. So for my waterline, I'm taking the Rimmel Scandalise pencil in nude, and then over the top of that I'm going to take my shade Christmas Tree again, and I'm just going to put this in my waterline. And then finally I'm going to take this warm brown colour again, and I'm just going to apply this on the lower lash line just to buff that out. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to take a bit of this Love Alpha Eye Colour Freeze in shade 03, which is this jelly glitter. It's like a golden colour. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this onto my inner corner just to highlight. This is the colour of it. It's beautiful. I love these products. I'm just taking a tiny bit of this onto my inner corner. Just like that. And then finally for the lips, I'm just going to use the Glazy Days gloss again because, as I said, this is my favourite. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you go and check out all the other videos. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!